Hi, I'm SIANG. I'm student from degree in Science, Chemistry, Industrial, year 1, Sem 2 student. Now I will represent my poster about two amine compound of my selected, which is histamine and chlorpheniramine. As shown in the picture, both histamine and chlorpheniramine are white powder and they can become a tablet. When we look at the structure, histamine have a pyridine and a long chain amine, while chlorpheniramine have a tertiary amine and a pyridine with the chlorophenyl group. This causing they have different in physical and chemical properties. Based on the boiling point show, histamine have higher boiling point than chlorpheniramine because it has the high density, and for the melting point, chlorpheniramine was higher than the histamine because it have the chlorophenyl group, which it is a benzene and have high electron density, cause them not easier to melting and stay solid at all time at high temperature. While look at the solubility, chlorphenyl have less solubility than the histamine due to the chlorophenyl group because of its non-polar properties. While chlorphenylamine are less base than the histamine. Histamine available naturally in our body. Mostly it is synthesized by the cell, which using the enzyme in decarboxylation of amino acid histidine. The left is the histidine amino acid. When it decarboxylate, we reduce the carbon dioxide, it will become the histamine. While the chlorphenylamine are mainly synthesis by the industrial is using the alkylation of 4-chlorophenylacetonyl with a chloropyridine by a presence of sodium amide to become the pyridine and complex. While hydrolysis, after that we will obtain the chlorphenylamine. It also can be halogen. When we go to the industrial usage of two amine compound, I have found different in their usage. Histamine are mostly used in medical as neurotransmitter because it mostly involved in immunology, which it attached to the cell hydrogen receptor to cause the inflammation, but it mostly used in research but not in the daily life. However, the chlorpheniramine it can become a antihistamine, which it can anti closing the H1 receptor to inhibit the allergic reaction. So it's mostly can be found in the pharmacy with a cheap price. That's all. Thank you.